Have you ever catch yourself comparing your life with others? Scrolling through social media, watching people buy cars, travel abroad, get promotions, and suddenly your own life feels small? That's exactly what happened to Mark, a 26-year-old young man who lived every day in the shadow of comparison. Whenever he saw a friend post about a new job, he thought, why not me? When a cousin shared engagement photos, he whispered, I am falling behind. Even when he achieved something at work, he dismissed it, others are doing better. The more he compared, the unhappier he became. His focus slipped, his confidence drained, his smile, once natural, now felt forced. One evening, restless and tired, Mark went for a walk. His thoughts were heavy. What am I even doing with my life? Everyone's ahead of me. And then he saw something that changed him forever. In the park, a group of kids were playing football. One boy catch his attention. The boy had a physical disability. He stumbled, fell, and couldn't run as fast as the others. But every time he fell, he laughed. He got back up. His friends cheered, not mocked. The boy wasn't competing, he was enjoying. Mark froze. This boy could compare himself with others, but he doesn't. He just plays his game. And here I am, with so much, ruining my life with comparisons. That night, Mark couldn't sleep. He kept replaying the scene. Finally, he grabbed a notebook and wrote down 2 lists. On one side, things I compare myself about: job, salary, car, house, relationships. On the other side, things I already have: his loving family, loyal friends, his health, his skills, his determination. For the first time, he saw it clearly. Comparison had blinded him to his blessings. He was so busy measuring himself with someone else's ruler, he forgot the value of his own life. From the next day, Mark changed. Slowly, step by step, he cut down time on social media. He set personal goals: reading, exercising, learning new skills. Whenever the old thoughts returned, I am behind, I am not enough, he reminded himself of the boy in the park. Don't compete, just play your game. It wasn't easy. The habit of comparison didn't disappear overnight. But each time he chose focus over comparison, he felt stronger. Each time he looked at his blessings instead of his neighbor's success, he felt happier. And something surprising happened by focusing on himself. He started growing faster. His performance at work improved. His relationships became warmer. Friends even came to him for advice. One day, a close friend asked, Mark, what changed? You look happier these days. Mark smiled and said, I stopped living their life. I started living mine. At 27, he wasn't the richest or the most successful among his peers, but he was finally at peace. He realized comparison was a thief. It had stolen his joy, his focus, his confidence. But acceptance gave him freedom, and freedom gave him power. Standing in front of the mirror one morning, Mark looked at himself, not the reflection of society's expectations, not the shadow of his friends' achievements, but himself. And he whispered, softly but firmly, I am not them, I am me, and that is enough. Dear listener, remember this, life is not a race. The boy in the park knew it. Mark discovered it, and maybe today you needed to hear it too. Stop comparing. Start living, because your journey is yours. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family.